Alright, this is Advanced Math Lesson 38. This is Section A, and we begin with our permutations and how many ways can we arrange things. And the first example that I have right here we're going to talk about is if you pretend, and you can do this maybe at home, if you have three blocks that have, one has an A, one has a B, one has a C, and you want to arrange those three blocks, in how many ways could you do that? And in this case, if you've got physical blocks, you can't repeat because you don't have multiple blocks with the same letter on them. So we could arrange the blocks as ABC, ACB. Those are the only two ways if the A is in the first position. If the B is in the first position, then we can only put the A or the C or the A. And if the C is in the first position, then we can only set the A and the B or the B and the A. So there's 6 ways that I can arrange A, B, and C if I'm not repeating any of the letters, only 6. Now, if I can repeat, for example, you have A, B, and C, and you want to, this is a multiple choice. How many different ways could you answer your questions, answering A, B, and C? How many possible ways? And I've started it here with the first answer being A on every one. The second answer could be A and the third one A, or the second one could be A and the third one B. The second one could be A and the third one C. So you can see I kind of did this in a pattern. First answer is A, second answer is A. The second answer could be B, that's these 3, and the third answer could be A, B, or C. The second answer could be C, and the third answer could be A, B, and C. This is 9 possibles if the first answer is A. But what if we answer the first B? We're also going to have 9 possibles. I could have B, and I'm going to follow the same pattern. We could have an AA, an AC, no, AB, and an AC. First is B. We could have BA. We could have all B's. We could BC. BCA, BCB, BCC. So you now see I have 9 possibilities if the first one I answered A, 9 possibilities if the first one is a B, and 9 possibilities if my first one is a C. AA, AB, AC, BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, CC. So I have a total of 27 ways to arrange the letters A, B, and C if repeating is possible. Only 6 ways if I can't repeat. And the pattern here is I have 3 things, 3 positions I need to fill. Whether it's repeating or not, 3 positions I need to fill. But if there's no repeat, I have 3 choices to go in the first spot. But once I put one of those blocks there, I only have 2 choices to go here and 1 to go here. If I multiply all that together, I get 6. If I can repeat, I still have 3 spaces to fill, still doing an arrangement of 3, but I have 3 choices for this first spot. I have an A, B, or C. But since I'm repeating, since I'm allowed to repeat, I have 3 choices for this second spot. A, B, or C. And I have 3 choices for the third spot, A, B, or C. Which is 27 ways that I can arrange A, B, and C if repeating is allowed. Now this is going to come into play in lots of situations. For example, on your car tag, let's do that one. In the state of Georgia, we have 3 numbers, I believe. That's what it used to be. They may have changed it. 3 letters followed by 3 numbers. So, if I can repeat the letters and the numbers, barring any bad words, we're not going to worry about that right now. I need 3 letters and I can repeat them. So it could be AAA. I have 26 letters in the alphabet, so there's 26 choices for that first spot, 26 choices for the second spot, 26 choices for the third spot. We have 10 digits, 0 through 9. If I'm doing 3 numbers, 10 digits, 10 possibilities on each one of those spots. That says I can repeat, and if I multiply all that out, that's basically how many car tags we could produce in the state. This is repeating. If we said no repeating, we don't want an AAA. We'd still need 3 spots for the letters, 3 spots for the numbers. Let's say no repeating of letters and no repeating of numbers. Well, this first location still has 26 choices that I could put there, but once I put a letter there, that letter cannot be repeated. So I only have 25 choices for the second spot, and then 24 choices for the third spot. Because once these 2 letters have been used, I can't use either of them in that third spot. Now I still have 10 digits, 0 through 9, that I could put here, but if I can't repeat a digit, once I put a digit there, I only have 9 digits left to go here and 8 digits left to go here. So this is, if I'm allowed to repeat, this is I'm allowed to not, if I'm not allowed to repeat. Alright, so look through the examples for this section, and there's several of them, and let me know if you have any questions about that. Thank you.